Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. When it comes to efficient yard work, a reliable tool makes all the difference. The best garden cart helps you transport soil, plants, and tools effortlessly, saving time and energy. Let's explore top options that combine durability and convenience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. VEVOR 1200 pounds garden cart. The VEVOR 1200 pounds garden cart is a true powerhouse when it comes to heavy-duty hauling for transporting soil, mulch, tools, or other bulky items. Its 6.48 cubic foot capacity and strong metal frame ensure long-lasting performance, while the rust-resistant coating adds extra durability for outdoor use. The standout feature is its 2-in-1 convertible handle, which can be pulled by hand or attached to an ATV, tractor, or lawnmower for effortless towing. The quick release system makes unloading smooth and efficient, saving time during large jobs. Its 13-inch all-terrain rubber tires glide easily over grass, gravel, and uneven ground, providing excellent stability and shock absorption. Whether you're working on the farm, garden, or yard, the VEVOR 1200 pounds garden cart delivers strength, versatility, and convenience in one dependable design. Number 2. BILT Hard 880 pounds garden cart. The BILT Hard 880 pounds garden cart combines strength and practicality for all types of outdoor tasks. Designed with 10-inch no-flat tires, it easily handles tough terrains without the worry of punctures or deflation. Its heavy-duty construction ensures long-term use and excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, even under harsh weather conditions. Assembly is quick and simple, allowing users to get started in minutes, while the 180-degree rotating handle offers superior control and maneuverability. The cart's quick release system makes loading and unloading effortless, saving valuable time during yard work. Beyond gardening, it's also great for camping, farming, and landscaping projects. With a solid frame and low-maintenance design, the BILT Hard 880 pounds garden cart is a versatile, durable, and efficient companion for anyone looking to make hauling heavy loads easier and faster. Number 3. VIVOHOME 880 pounds garden cart. The VIVOHOME 880 pounds garden cart delivers a perfect blend of strength, quality, and usability. Its impressive 880-pound capacity allows for easy hauling of soil, plants, tools, or other heavy materials with minimal effort. The mesh bed is durable and easy to clean, while the sturdy hinges ensure a long service life. The pneumatic tires provide excellent elasticity, shock absorption, and noise reduction, making it smooth and stable on rough or uneven terrain. Its 180-degree flexible handle allows for effortless pulling from any angle, making maneuvering easy even when fully loaded. Whether you're tending to your garden or tackling heavy-duty chores, the VIVOHOME garden cart offers the reliability and performance you need. It turns tough tasks into manageable ones, providing strength, balance, and convenience with every use. Number 4. VEVOR 900 pounds garden cart. The VEVOR 900 pounds garden cart is built for those who demand strength and versatility in their outdoor work. With a 900-pound load capacity, it easily handles soil, rocks, tools, and other heavy materials without strain. Its 2-in-1 design allows users to switch between a fenced cart for loose items and a flatbed mode for larger objects, giving it excellent adaptability for different tasks. Made from premium Q235 steel, the frame is reinforced with 3 support beams and coated with a corrosion-resistant finish for long-term durability. The 10-inch rubber tires with metal hubs rotate 360 degrees, providing smooth movement on grass, gravel, or uneven surfaces. Easy to maneuver and built for performance, this cart offers exceptional balance and stability even with heavy loads. Perfect for gardens, farms, or construction areas, the VEVOR 900 pounds garden cart ensures efficiency, strength, and reliability every time you use it. Number 5. Gorilla 600 Pounds Garden Cart. The Gorilla 600 Pounds Garden Cart is a compact yet highly capable hauling solution designed for effortless yard and garden work. With a 4 cubic foot capacity and a 600-pound weight limit, it provides ample room for soil, tools, and supplies while maintaining easy maneuverability. Its durable poly bed resists rust and cracking, ensuring long-lasting use in all weather conditions. The innovative steel frame enhances strength and shortens assembly time, making it both tough and user-friendly. One of its most convenient features is the patented quick-release dump mechanism, allowing users to unload materials quickly and efficiently. The all-terrain wheels provide smooth and stable movement across various surfaces, from grass to gravel. Ideal for homeowners and garden enthusiasts, the Gorilla Garden Cart combines durability, practicality, and comfort in one smart design, making heavy-duty tasks like hauling mulch, dirt, or stones simpler and more efficient every time. Thank you for reading. These garden carts are designed to make your yard work easier, faster, and more efficient. Check the description for links to each product and find the perfect cart to handle any task with ease and durability. Happy gardening!